Rambler Classic Second Generation. For the 1963 model year, the Rambler Classic line was completely redesigned with subtle body sculpturing. Outgoing design director, Edmund D. Anderson, shaped the Classic that was named Motor Trend magazine's 1963 Car of the Year. These were also the first AMC models that were influenced by Dick Teague, the company's new principal designer. He turned these economical cars into smooth, streamlined beauties with tons of options and V8 pep. Being of a suitable size for international markets, this Rambler was assembled in a number of countries. In Europe, Renault built this car in their Heron, Belgium plant and marketed it as a luxury car, filling the gap above the tiny Renault Dauphine. The 1963 Classics were also the first all-new cars developed by AMC since 1956. Keeping the philosophy of the company, they were more compact, shorter and narrower by 1 inch, 25 mm, as well as over 2 inches, 56 mm, lower than the preceding models, but lost none of their family-sized passenger room or luggage capacity, featuring a longer 112-inch, 2,845 mm, wheelbase. American Motors senior cars, Classic and Ambassador, shared the same wheelbase and body parts, with only trim differences and standard equipment levels to distinguish the models. Classics came in pillared 2- and 4-door sedans, as well as 4-door wagons. The model designations now became a Mercedes-like 3-number model designation, going from the lowest 550, essentially fleet cars, 660, to highest 770 trims, replacing the deluxe, custom, and 400 versions. As in 1962, the 1963 Classics were initially available only as 6-cylinder 195.6 cubic inches, 3.2 liters, models. The Ambassador's standard V8 power, featuring AMC's 327 cubic inches, 5.4 liters, engine, was the chief distinguishing feature from the Classic model line. In mid-1963, a new 287 cubic inches, 4.7 liters, V8 option was announced for the Classic models. The 198 horsepower, 148 kilowatts, 201 PS, V8-equipped Rambler Classics combined good performance with good mileage. Even with the optional flash-o-matic automatic transmission, they reached 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in about 10 seconds, and returned fuel economy from 16 miles per US gallon, 14.7 liters/100 kilometers, 19.2 miles per gallon imp, to 20 miles per US gallon, 11.8 liters/100 kilometers, 24.0 miles per gallon imp. The new AMC cars incorporated numerous engineering solutions. Among these was curved side glass, one of the earliest popular priced cars with this feature. Another engineering breakthrough was combining separate parts in the monocoque unit construction, body into single stampings. One example was the uni-side door surround that was made from a single stamping of steel. Not only did it replace 52 parts and reduce weight and assembly costs, but it also increased structural rigidity and provided for better fitting of the doors. American Motors' imaginative engineering prompted Motor Trend magazine to give the Classic, and the similar Ambassador models, their Car of the Year award for 1963. Motor Trend's award is based on pure progress in design. We like to make sure the car is also worthy of the title in the critical areas of performance, dependability, value, and potential buyer satisfaction.